Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to copy color grading in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, as you can see, here I have two clips, and in my case I want to copy the color grading from the second clip to the first one. The first step would be to click here. Click on Clips. And here we will have the clips that we have in the timeline. We will select the first clip and then hold down the Control key on Windows or on Mac the Command key, and click on the clip that we want to copy the grading color from. Now, right-click, shot match to this clip. And that's it. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.